you ever wanted to be able to make sesame noodles that taste just as good as takeout? My name is London Brazil from evolvingtable.com, and today we're going to be making 30-minute sesame noodles. They're quick, easy, gluten-free, vegan, and make a delightful lunch or dinner recipe. We first start off by sauteing up a few colored bell peppers, and then we boil a box of gluten-free spaghetti or linguini pasta. And lastly, we're gonna whisk together a sauce made from soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger, and a few other sweet and spicy ingredients. Speaking of ingredients, if you have any ingredient substitution questions, make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video where I teach you a few simple swaps. If your mouth is salivating as much as mine is, come on in and let's get started. Our sesame noodles are all tossed together with the bell peppers, and it is time for me to take a little taste test. All those beautiful colors from the bell peppers mixed together with a bit of green onion and sesame seeds. All right, that's a nice sized bite there. Oh yeah. You get a little bit of spice mixed in with the savory sesame oil, and then some healthy bell peppers are spread all throughout the sesame noodles recipe. As promised, here are a few ingredient substitution ideas for you. First, if you don't have soy sauce, or if you're allergic to soy, you can also use Tamari sauce or coconut liquid aminos. Second, the coconut sugar. Feel free to use regular white sugar or brown sugar. Third, chili garlic sauce was used in this recipe, but you can also use Sriracha sauce or any other hot sauce that you happen to have in your refrigerator. And lastly, I used all 3 different colors of bell peppers because honestly, I think it looks really pretty. However, if you only have all of one color, or if you want to throw in an orange bell pepper too, go ahead and let your imagination soar with this recipe. Also, if you liked what you found here today, make sure you check out these Asian chicken lettuce wraps right up here, because to be honest, they have a sauce that is super similar to the one that we used here today. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you subscribe down below, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss a future recipe. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you again soon.